Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered whether Microsoft Copilot or ChatGPT is the better AI assistant for your workflow, stick around. Today we're doing a quick but powerful breakdown: Microsoft Copilot versus ChatGPT, pros, cons, and which one's right for you. Let's jump in. First up, what are we even comparing? Microsoft Copilot is built right into Microsoft 365 tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It's your productivity sidekick, summarizing, auto generating content, and streamlining your day to day tasks. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a general purpose conversational AI from OpenAI. It's the one you go to for creative writing, coding, customer service, and even live voice chats. Think of it as your all around AI buddy, platform agnostic, and super versatile. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Microsoft Copilot pros are seamlessly integrated with Microsoft tools, great if you're in Word, Excel, or Outlook all day. It also automates workflows for professionals and businesses. It is also ideal for structured tasks like reports, presentations, or email drafting. Its cons are limited outside the Microsoft ecosystem, slower to adopt cutting edge AI features, and you'll miss out if you're not a Microsoft 365 user. While ChatGPT Pros are insanely flexible, great for coding, writing, tutoring, you name it. It also offers advanced features like file uploads, live voice mode, and even video input. Also, better integration with non Microsoft apps through platforms like Zapier, and faster updates and experimental features. The cons are it's not embedded into productivity tools by default. You have to copy paste or integrate manually. It also can be overkill for some simple workplace tasks, and higher tier features can cost up to $200 per month. So, which one should you use? If you live in Excel or Word and need help staying efficient, Microsoft Copilot is your best friend. But if you want creative power, AI tutoring, or coding help across various platforms, ChatGPT gives you way more flexibility and innovation. That's it for today's AI Showdown. Let me know in the comments, are you Team Copilot or Team ChatGPT? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you want more straight to the point tech breakdowns. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.